This is anniversary of what happened to us on 9/11, 20 years ago.
It does take your words away, it takes your breath away, and I don't know, it's pretty prideful, I guess, for our community that we come together to do it.
It overtakes your emotions, and it's such an honor. Just think about all the lives that were lost. There's a lot of emotion in it, and to see all these flags, I mean, it just really, I really don't have words for it, really, to be honest with you.
We're out here today for Flags of Valor. Everybody gets a certain row, and you go down, you try and put in a flag at a time, and just line them up perfectly straight, and every flag's to represent somebody that's fallen. And we'll go through after we put all the flags up and put dog tags on every single flag with white gloves out of respect, and that's mostly what it's about, just volunteering and showing respect to everybody that's sacrificed everything.
Rick needed some logistical help to make his dream come true, and he came to the folks at Castle, and we stepped up and answered the call. So third time in, whole new band of folks, their first time doing this, but we're proud to be part of it, and it's pretty amazing.
It's just our way of giving a little back and letting their families and loved ones know how much we appreciate them.
Anything for the military, first responders, I'm there. And I just think this is a fantastic project, and it's beautiful when it gets done. This is my second time.
When you see the sheer amount of flags, it really, I think, makes it more real because it's such a huge number of flags. So I think that's important for people to see because then it's not just a number.
Everyone comes together and believes in this thing. In this time right now where everyone is kind of disparate, that everyone comes together to do this, you know? We all share this.
When this is done, you look out here and you walk through these rows and the flags are lightly blowing and them dog tags are jingling. It's an eerie feeling, and it makes you think that it's more than just some flags. These are souls, these are Americans that were lost.
They represent somebody who sacrificed their life for our country. And it hurts me just to see this, but they made the ultimate sacrifice.